what to make of the market right now, and are there any tradable opportunities for you all? Let's find an answer to that. We are being joined by Vinay Rajani of HDFC Securities. Hi Vinay, good to be speaking with you. Good afternoon, first of all. And what do you make of the index level between Nifty as well as Bank Nifty? Which one is better placed, and how much trust can one have in this sort of an up move?
Yeah, good afternoon. Yes, so today is the 10th consecutive session when Nifty is trading in red. So definitely the trend is clearly negative. For last 1 month since February, we can see that Nifty is not able to close above the nearest moving average resistance, which is 5 days EMA. So to be precise, 5 days EMA is currently placed at 22,260. So this is the first level, first resistance. We are waiting for the confirmation to come. No doubt there are other indicators which are indicating that we are into oversold territory. So 22,260 is the first resistance above. Once we see Nifty sustaining above that, then definitely there will be a first sign of bullish trend reversal. But looking at the other data, like the percentage of stocks above the 200 DMA in NSE 500 has reached to 10%. That means 90% of the NSE 500 stocks are trading below their 200 days moving average. So if we go by the history in 2008 and 2020, which were the black swan events, at that time also this number was almost 6%, 8%, and now is at 10%. So we are almost there. We are at the oversold condition. If you look at the Nifty daily RSI, 14-day RSI has reached to 21, which is lowest since COVID. So this is another indicator which is showing a signal of oversold scenario in the markets. And yesterday we saw a good bounce in the mid cap also. But the problem is that we are not able to see some decisive upside breakouts in the Nifty. So waiting for that to happen. So ideally, I don't see any short scenario in the Nifty and Bank Nifty as of now, because markets are oversold, waiting for some resistance to get taken out of the upside, and definitely at that time aggressive longs can be taken and shorts can be cut. So waiting for that to happen. But yeah, there are opportunities in the markets, can be traded long also. So with stop loss, definitely one can look for some opportunities. But for Nifty, 22,260 is a level for which I am waiting. Below 21,950, we can expect 21,700 is the next support. So these are the important supports in the Nifty.
Okay, thanks for that view coming in. When I also tell us about where you are seeing any sort of comfort in the market right now, because the days the broader markets fall, they fall quite steeply. The days the market is doing well, it's the broader markets that are leading the rally. Where are you seeing comfort amid a market like this? Do you believe A, that the markets have corrected significantly enough for buying to happen? And B, if so, where do you think that will be seen, in the larger end or the broader end of the market?
Yeah, so overall, if somebody is taking a positional view, then I think large cap stocks will outperform, because mid cap, small caps have already given significant returns in last 4 years, and they are into a downtrend. So there could be a pullback rally, but it is all about how much sustainability is there. So I think sustainability will be there in the large caps, definitely. So if we were to see some pullback from here, mid cap, small cap can definitely see a bounce back. But at a higher level, we feel that large caps will sustain, and that will give some stability. So allocation in the large cap should be increased in this kind of scenario. And at upper level, we can expect some sustainability. But mid caps are vulnerable, and it is better to keep it with a tight stop loss, and a trailing stop loss strategy should be adopted in the mid cap and small cap. So yes, bounce is due in entire broader market, but sustainability will be there in the large cap segment right now.
All right, so sustainability will be within the large cap space, but when within the banking space, at least that is holding up well. And today, of course, the PSU banking is doing well. So, any particular stock that is standing out for you right now? And what about the heavyweights, HDFC Bank? Do you believe an up move expected there as well?
Yeah, so I cannot comment anything on HDFC Bank. I'm a group employee. But yes, Bank Nifty, yes, it is trading around the crucial support of 47,900. So there is a double bottom formation, and today also it attempted and actually did not break that level. So 47,900 is a crucial support for the Bank Nifty. Some stocks are performing well in PSU segment also. Fundamentally, our team likes Bank of India, where results were quite convincing. There is no technical breakout. We are waiting for some confirmation to come. But overall, fundamentally, our view on the Bank of India from the PSU space is bullish, and Axis Bank is another stock from the private banking stock we like. So these are the two stocks, but technically still some sort of confirmation is still required as Nifty is trading in a clear-cut momentum downside. So we are waiting for breakouts to come in these stocks. But yes, definitely Axis Bank from the private banking, and from PSU Bank we like Bank of India.
Vinay, my bad to ask you specifically on HDFC Bank, just slipped my mind that you belong to the same group. But other than the banking space, Vinay, help us understand any other stock that is looking attractive to you right now. What are your bets?
Yeah, so Force Motor we like for the trading. We have already recommended to our clients. This is one of the few stock which is trading above the 50 and 200 days moving average. Is one of the resilient stock we can say. So looks quite strong, and in this kind of market we can expect some outperformance. So Force Motors can be bought around 70-200, 71-50 should be the range. 65, 68.50 should be the stop loss for the trading, and on the upside we can expect a target of 7650. The second pick I would take from the defense space. So since morning we can see some strength building in this entire defense space. So Bharat Dynamics BDL, which is looking very strong. Yesterday we saw sharp recovery from the lower level, and bullish hammer candlestick pattern was formed in yesterday's session, and today we saw a follow buying coming in. So BDL is looking good around 10301 can go long. Stop loss can be kept at 985, and I'm recommending a target at 1085. So both the calls are for 1 week, 1 to 2 weeks time frame, and I would recommend whosoever is following should follow with the strict stop losses which are mentioned.
Okay, thanks Vinay for sharing your market outlook as well as your picks with us. On that note, we'll let you go. So Force.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.